If you want to change your Activision or Call of Duty account on Steam, the most important thing to know is that this is not done inside the Steam client itself. Your progress, rank, and COD points are connected to your Activision account, and Steam is only the platform that links into it. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to unlink your current account and connect a new one the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Activision profile login page. You can search for Activision account login or go directly to the official Activision website. Once the page loads, sign in with the Activision account that is currently linked to your Steam account. This is the account you want to remove from Steam, so make sure you are using the correct login details before you continue. After you're signed in, look for the account settings or profile menu. Inside that area, find the account linking section. This is where Activision shows all of the platforms currently connected to your profile. You should see different options here, including Steam, Battle.net, PlayStation, Xbox, and others depending on what you have linked. Now, locate the Steam tile. This is the one you need to remove if you want to switch to a different Activision account. Click Unlink. Activision will usually show a confirmation prompt, and this is your chance to double check that you really want to disconnect this Steam account from the current Activision profile. If everything looks correct, confirm the unlink process. Now here's a very important warning. Activision usually applies a 12-month cooldown after unlinking a platform account. That means if you have unlinked Steam recently, you may not be able to link that same Steam account to a different Activision profile again for a full year. So before you confirm anything, make sure you are absolutely ready to move forward. This step matters because if you rush it, you could lock yourself out of the change for a long time. Once the old account has been unlinked, the next step is to connect the new Activision account you actually want to use. Log out of the Activision website completely, then sign back in, but this time use the new Activision account you want tied to Steam. Again, take your time here and make sure it is the correct profile because whichever account you link next is the one Call of Duty will use when you launch it through Steam. After logging in with the new account, go back to the account linking section again. Find the Steam tile one more time, and this time click Link Account. A new window will appear asking you to sign into Steam. Enter your Steam username and password, then authorize the connection. This step officially connects your Steam account to the new Activision profile. Once that is complete, your Steam account should now be linked to the new Activision or Call of Duty account. The next time you launch Call of Duty from Steam, it should automatically sign you into the new profile instead of the old one. If everything was done correctly, your game should load with the new Activision ID attached to your Steam account. If you run into issues, the most common causes are using the wrong Activision login, trying to relink during the cooldown period, or not fully confirming the unlink before linking the new account. So if something doesn't work right away, go back and check each step carefully. Usually, it is just a login mismatch or a platform restriction from Activision, and that's it. You now know how to change your Activision or Call of Duty account on Steam by unlinking the old profile and linking the new one through the Activision website. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.